Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play eFootball on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play eFootball on your PC or laptop, you will need to download Steam first, since this is where we can download the game. So if you don't have Steam yet, I have a tutorial video on how to download it on the description of this video, so just watch it and then come back here once you already have your Steam. And now that you already have your Steam, let me now show you how to download eFootball. So to download eFootball on your PC or laptop, first, I want you to open your Steam. So here on Steam, you can download many popular games easily. The platform offers a huge game selection, and eFootball is one of the games they offer. So to download eFootball on Steam, you just need to search the game right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game. Just go and click it. And here's the game eFootball, guys. So to download it, just scroll down a little and then you will be able to see the play game button. Just go and click it. And then Steam will show you the total game size and the location where the game's files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this gear icon, but if you are already fine with the location, just click install. And then click the accept button. And after that, the game will now start downloading. It will take some time since the game's size is kinda big, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.